Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to take one new topic, matrices. Now I have taken 3 students. The first student is Vanitha. Vanitha scored in Tamil 80 marks, in English 60 marks, in Maths 75 marks. Then next student Radha. She scored in Tamil 75 marks, in English 80 marks, in Maths 85 marks. Then Gogul in Tamil 60 marks, then English 65 marks, then Maths 70 mark. So I am representing in tabular form now. Vanitha marks. So in Tamil she scored 80 mark, in English 60 mark, in Maths 75. Then Radha 75 mark, in English 80, in Maths 85. Then Gogul in Tamil 60, English 65, in Maths 70. So which is easy to compare the marks? I think this tabular form. So if you want to find out highest mark in Maths, it will be tough for more students. I am saying now you have considered only for 3 students. Suppose if I am taking 100 students or 200 students, means it won't be easy to find out the highest mark and lowest mark. So if you are mentioning in this tabular form, it will be easy. We can compare Maths mark easily. In the same way in English mark, then Tamil mark, we can choose maximum mark and lowest mark. We can select easily. So this is called tabular form. Now we are going to see matrix form. Matrix form should be in the rectangular array. Matrix form should be in the rectangular array. So the first mark is 80, then next 75, then next 60, here 60, 80, 65, then 75, 85, 70. This horizontal wise represent rows, then this vertical represents column. So this is row 1 and this is row 2 and this is row 3. Then this is column 1, this is fully column 1 and this is column 2 and this is column 3. So this is called matrix form. Rectangular array, we can represent the elements. We can give the matrix name like A or B, something we can give. Now we are going to see order of matrix. Order of matrix. Now I am selecting on matrix A, that order is M cross M. This is number of rows and this is represent number of columns. So in matrix A consists M row and N columns. So I can write first element A11 because this is first row, first column element. Then second element here, same first row and this is second column. So second A12 means first row, second column element. Then next A13. So it will go like this. Then in the middle will come A1J. J means some column number. And at the last first row, how many column we have? N column. So A1N. So first row is over. Then second row, second row, first column. So A21. Then A22. Then A23. Then here we get A2J. This is J column. And A2N. Then again A31 because this is third row. Then A32, A33, A3J, then A3N. Third row, nth column number. So it's known as A3N. So it will go like this up to mth row. So A, M1 because mth row, first column. And here A, M2, same mth row, second column. And here A, M3. And then next it will go, then here A, M, jth column. Then at the last A, mth row and that column is nth column. So here nth row, nth column. So this is the last element. So A is order of M cross N. So at the last we should get A, M and this is the last element. Next, we are going to see types of matrices. The first type is row matrix. Row matrix means one row, any number of columns. That matrix should contain only one row, any number of columns. For example, A equal to only one row should be there. So, I am writing 1, 3, 5. So, how many rows we have? Only one row, but we have 3 columns. First column, and this is second column, this is third column. So, one row, 3 column. So, matrix contain only one row and any number of column means we can be say that is row matrix. The next one, column matrix. Column matrix means matrix should be contain only one column, any number of rows. So, for example, matrix B equal to only one column should be there. So, 1, 5, 8. These are elements. So, 1, 5, 8. Here we have only one column, but rows. Row 1 and this is row 2 and this is row 3. So, 3 row and number of column is 1. So, this is the order of matrix. 3 row, 1 column. So, 3 cross 1. Next one, square matrix. So, in square matrix, number of rows should be equal to number of columns. So, for example, matrix A equal to 2 cross 2. 2 row, 2 columns. So, column should be equal to number of rows. So, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of rows 2, number of columns also 2. So, this is called square matrix. Then, another one more matrix also we can be create like 3 cross 3. 1, 3, 7, 8, minus 5, 9 and 10, 5, 8. Here 3 row and also 3 column. So, this is also square matrix. So, column equal to row. Number of columns should be equal to number of rows. Then next one, diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix means in the square matrix, except those leading diagonal or 0. For example, matrix A equal to only diagonal we should have number, other than diagonal should be 0. So, 5, 0, 0, then 0, minus 7, 0, 8, 0, 0, 8. So, only this diagonal should be number, other than diagonals should be 0. So, this is called diagonal matrix. Next one is scalar matrix. In that scalar matrix and diagonal matrix, which all the leading diagonal elements are equal. So, all the leading diagonal elements should be equal. For example, matrix B equal to, we know diagonal matrix means only leading diagonal will be a number, other than diagonal elements are 0. So, here all diagonal elements should be same. So, here 5 means, and this diagonal also 5 and here also 5. So, remaining and all here we should mention 0. So, this is called scalar matrix. Only diagonal should have same number. So, other than diagonal should be 0. This is called scalar matrix. Any other number can be right here. Not only 5, any other number we can write same number here. Then next, identity of unit matrix. So, in square matrix, we know square matrix means rows, number of rows should be equal to number of columns. So, in that square matrix, leading diagonal are all 1 like this. Here fully we should mention 1 and rest are all 0. Remaining elements should be 0. So, matrix A equal to diagonals are 1, remaining elements are 0. So, 1 and this diagonal 1 and here also 1. So, remaining elements are 0. So, this is called unit matrix. Here 3 row, 3 column. 3 row, 3 column. So, we can be represent this I3. Because 3 row, 3 column, we can be represent as I3. Then next I2. I2 means 2 row, 2 column. So, 1, 0, 0, 1. 2 row, 2 columns. So, this is I2 matrix, unit matrix, 2 cross 2 matrix. So, 1, 0, 0, 1. Seventh type, zero matrix or null matrix. In matrix, all the elements are 0 means that matrix is known as zero matrix. So, for example, null matrix. O equal to 0, 0, 0. All the elements are 0. So this is called null matrix. Now we can say the order is 2 row, 3 columns. So now order is 2 cross 3. One more 0 matrix, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is 2 cross 2 matrix. So in all elements are 0 means that matrix is known as 0 matrix or null matrix. Then eighth one, transpose of matrix. We know transpose means row should be changed into column or columns should be changed into row. For example, I have taken 1, 2, 3, 5. 2 cross 2 matrix. Now I want to be find out A transpose. So A transpose means that rows should be changed into column wise or this column can be changed into row wise. So now this is first row. This first row now change into first column. Then this is second row. This is changed into second column. So this is called A transpose. Next one, triangular matrix. In the triangular matrix, we have two types. First one is lower triangular and next one upper triangular. So, above leading diagonals are 0 means that is called lower diagonal matrix. So, above leading diagonal, these three elements are 0 means that is lower triangular matrix. Below leading diagonals are 0 means that is upper triangular matrix. So, here below the leading diagonals are 0, diagonal elements are 0. So, this is called upper triangular matrix. Next one, equal matrices. Equal matrices. So, AB, 2 matrix. Equal matrix should have equal same order and also same elements. So, here 1, 2, 3, 4. I am taking here 2 minus 2, here 4 minus 2 and here 4 minus 1, here 3 plus 1. Is it equal? Shall we check 3 minus 2. First element is 1, here 3 minus 2. We know 3 minus 2 is 1. Then next 2, 4 minus 2 is 2. Then 4 minus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. See, all 4 elements are same. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, both A and B matrices are equal. Orders are also same. 2 cross 2 and here also 2 cross 2. 2 row, 2 columns. So, order and element should be equal in equal matrices. If suppose they have given like this, A equal to 5, 6, 7, 8 and B equal to A, B, C, D. So in the question itself they have given A and B are equal matrices. A and B are equal matrices. Find A, B, C, D value means we can equate both. So 5, 6, 7, 8 equal to A, B, C, D. So first number A and here first number 5. So A equal to 5. Then B equal to 6. Then C equal to 7. Then D equal to 8. Like this we can find out the answer. Then next one, negative of matrix. For example, matrix A equal to 1, 2, 5, minus 3, 2, minus 7. So this is the matrix A. Now we want to find out minus A. This is called negative of matrix. So we have to change the sign for A elements. So 1 will be changed into minus 1. Then this 2 change into minus 2. 5 will be changed into minus 5. Minus 3 will be changed into plus 3. 2 will be changed into minus 2. Minus 7 will be changed into plus 7. So this is known as negative of matrix. Let me recall once. First type, row matrix. Row matrix means that matrix should be contain only one row, many column. Then second one, column matrix. In column matrix, one column, many rows can be there. Then square matrix. In square matrix, that order should be same. So number of columns should be number of rows. Number of rows should be equal to number of columns. That is called square matrix. Then next, diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix, if it is diagonal matrix, only diagonal should be number. For example, here 8, 7, 9. So other than diagonal should be 0, like this. So this is called diagonal matrix. Next, scalar matrix means diagonal should be same number. For example, 8, 8, 8. Diagonal should be same number. So it's known as scalar matrix. Then next, unit matrix. Unit matrix means diagonal should be 1. So this is called unit matrix or identity matrix. Then next, null matrix means all the elements should be 0. In matrix, all the elements should be 0. This is called null matrix. Then next, triangular matrix. In upper triangular matrix, below the leading diagonal elements are 0. So 1, 7, 8, and here 0, because this is below the diagonal. Here 5, 9, and 0, 0, minus 8. So below the leading diagonal elements are 0 means that is called upper triangular matrix. And lower triangular matrix, above the leading diagonal elements should be 0. The same way, 1, 0, 0, 5, 8, 0, 9, minus 3, 2. So this is diagonal. So above the diagonals are here 0. So this is called lower triangular matrix. Let me start the exercise problem. Exercise 3.16. First sum. In the matrix A, 8, 9, 4, 3, minus 1, root 7, root 3 by 2, 5, 1, 4, 3, 0, then 6, 8, minus 11, 1. The given matrix is 8, 9, 4, 3, minus 1, root 7, root 3 by 2, 5, 1, 4, 3, 0, 6, 8, minus 11, 1. First question is the number of elements. The number of elements. So we want to find out how many elements are there. So we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So totally 16 elements are there. So number of elements, 16 elements. Then second question, the order of matrix. Second question is order of matrix. So order of matrix means first we should write number of rows and number of column. First row, second row, third row, fourth row. So four rows and column. This is column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. So 4 column. So order of matrix is 4 cross 4. Then third question is, third one, write the elements of A22, third division. Write the elements of A22, A23, A24, A34, A43, A44. So A22, second row, second column. So this is second row, second column. So that is root 7. So A22 equal to root 7. Then A23, second row, third column. This is second row, third column. So this is root 3 divided by 2. Then A24, second row, fourth column number is 5. So A24 equal to 5. Then A34, third row, fourth column. So that is 0. Then fourth row, third column. This is fourth row, third column. So that number is minus 11. Fourth row, fourth column. So fourth row, fourth column number is 1. Second question, if a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 6 elements? So if a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? For example, I am taking now, if matrix contains 4 elements. For example, I am taking for 4 elements. So that 4 numbers I am choosing 1, 5, 8, 10. So I can be write like this, 1, 5, 8, 10. This is one way. Then another way I can write like this, 1, 5, 8, 10. Here also 4 elements I have. And another way also is there, 1, 5, 8, 10. So in 3 ways I can be write. This is 1 row, 4 column. And this is 4 row, 1 column. And this is 2 row, 2 column. If you are multiplying these two, you will get the number of elements. 1 4s are 4. So 4 elements. 2 2s are 4. So 4 elements. So if it is have 4 elements, we can be represented 3 ways. Now 18 elements. So we can be select 18 table. So the possible orders. So if it is 18 elements, the first possible is 1 row 18 column. Then 2 row 9 column can have, because 2 9s are 18. Then 3 row 6 column can have. Then next 6 row 3 column. Then 9 row 2 column. Then 18 row 1 column. So the 6 possible orders. 1 row 18 column. So 1 cross 18, 2 cross 9, 3 cross 6, 6 cross 3, 9 cross 2, 18 cross 1. Then next, suppose if it is have 6 elements. So matrix has 6 elements. Therefore, the possible orders are 6 elements means 1 row 6 column, 2 row 3 column, then 3 row 2 column, then 6 row 1 column. 1 row 6 column, 2 row 3 column, 3 row 2 column and 6 row 1 column. Next third sum, construct 3 cross 3 matrix whose elements are given by Aij equal to modulus I minus 2j. Now 3 cross 3 matrix we have to consider. So 3 cross 3 matrix. So A11, A12, this is general form, A13. Then because only 3 column is there, first row over, then second row, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So this is general form of 3 cross 3 matrix. Now we can be find out one by one. A11. Now I value is 1, J value also 1. Modulus I value 1 minus 2 into J value also 1. So put modulus 1 minus 2 ones are 2. So 1 minus 2, we know we have to subtract and put greater number sign. So minus 1. So modulus is there. So we can be take plus 1. If modulus comes negative value, we can be changed as positive. So plus 1. The next one, A12. So modulus I value is 1, J value is 2. So 1 minus 2 into 2. So 1 minus 2 2s are 4. So 1 minus 4 value we know minus 3. So here plus 3. Then next A13. So 1 minus 2 into 3. Modulus 1 minus 6 2 3s are 6. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. So minus 5 will change into plus 5. Then next one, A 2 1. Modulus I value is 2, J value is 1. So I value 2 and J value is 1. Then minus 2J. Then next A 2 2, then A 2 3, A 3 1. After A 3 1, A 3 2, A 3 3. So I minus 2J. Now I value is 2 and J value also 2. Then next I value is 2, J value is 3. So inside the bracket 3. I value is 3 and J value is 1. Now I value is 3 and J value is 2. Now I value is 3, J value also 3. Then we can find out modulus 2 minus 2 ones are 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. Mod 0 value is 0. Now modulus 2 minus 2 2s are 4. 2 minus 4 value is modulus minus 2. So it will change into plus 2. Then now 2 minus 2 3s are 6. So 2 minus 6 value is minus 4. So plus 4. Then next 3 minus 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So plus 1. Mod 1 value is 1. Now 3 minus 2 2s are 4. So 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Then change into plus 1. 3 minus 2 3s are 6. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. So plus 3. Now the required matrix is matrix A equal to A11 value is 1. Then A12 value is 3. A13 value is 5. Then 0, 2, 4. Then 1, 1, 3. So this is the required matrix. Second one, Aij equal to I plus j to the power 3 divided by 3. Now we have to construct same 3 cross 3 matrix. So A, let me write the general form of the matrix. So A11, then A12, A13, A21, 22, 23, A31, A32, A33. Now we have to be find out one by one. So first one A11. So I value 1. So 1 plus j value 1 divided by this 3 to the power 3. So we know 1 plus 1, 2 power 3 by 3. So 2 power 3 means 2 3 times. So we will get 8 divided by 3. So A11 value is now 8 divided by 3. Then next A12. So 1 plus j value is 2. I value, j value. 2 power 3 divided by 3. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3 to the power 3 divided by 3. We know 3 power 3 value is 27 divided by 3. Then we can be cancelled by 3 table. 1 time, 9 time. So the next element is 9. Then next third element A13. Third element is A13. So 1 plus 3 power 3 divided by 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. So 4 power 3 by 3. 4 power 3 value is 64. So 64 divided by 3. Then next A21. So 2 plus 1 to the power 3 divided by 3. So 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 power 3 divided by 3. So 27 divided by 3. That is equal to 9. If we are cancelling, we will get 9. Then next A22. I value 2, j value also 2. So 2 plus 2 power 3 divided by 3. 2 plus 2, 4. So 4 power 3 divided by 3. 4 power 3 we know 64 divided by 3. Write the elements. First element is we got 8 by 3. Then second element is 9. Then third element we got 64 by 3. Fourth element we got 9. Fifth element we got 64 by 3. Then next A 2 3. So 2 plus 3 power 3 divided by 3. 2 plus 3 5. So 5 power 3 by 3, that is equal to 125 by 3. If you are multiplying 5 3 times, you will get 125. 5 into 5 into 5. Then next A 3 1. So 3 plus 1 power 3 by 3. 3 plus 1 4. So 4 power 3 by 3. 64 by 3. We will write here 125 by 3. Then 64 by 3. After 3 1. 3 2, then 3 3. A 3 2, then A 3 3. So 3 plus 2 power 3 divided by 3. 3 plus 2 5. So 5 power 3 by 3. 125 by 3. So the next element is 125 by 3. Then 3 plus 3 power 3 divided by 3. 3 plus 3 6. So 6 power 3 by 3. 6 power 3 is 216 by 3. We can be cancelled by 3 table. 1 time 72 times. So 72. That last element is 72. So this is the required matrix. Note down the assignment problem. First sum. Construct 3 cross 3 matrix whose elements are Aij equal to I square and j square. I square, j square. Next, second one. If a matrix has 16 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What are the possible orders it can have? Then third sum. A equal to 5 4 3, 1 minus 7 9, 3 8 2. Find A transpose. Find A transpose. Then fourth sum. Find X, Y, Z. Find X, Y, Z. The question is 12, 3, X, 3 by 2 equal to Y, Z, 3, 5. See, first one, construct 3 cross 3 matrix. So first you have to write general form of matrix. After that we can be find out A11 to A33. Then we have to write that required matrix. Then second one, if matrix has 16 elements. So if it is 16 elements, we have to write possible orders it can have. So already we have seen like this problem in exercise. See that. Then third one, A is given, find A transpose. Already I said about A transpose. Rows should be changed into column or column can change into row. That is called A transpose. Here find X, Y, Z. See in the middle we have equal to sign. So we can be equate. First one I will say Y equal to 12. So I said one answer. Then remaining X and Z value we have to be find out. Thank you.